That's not an easy thing to move away from a relation that you had. We are human beings that naturally will feel pain. Nobody wants to be rejected. And even if a relation that you wanted to end, I mean, if you've been with that person for a long time, you're going to miss certain parts about this person. Again, you'll have to accept that it's going to take some time. There is going to be a void. You have to learn how to fill it with other activities, with things that you love, take care of yourself on multiple domains, interact with friends and family, but you have to be patient. You have to be patient. But ultimately, I do believe there is this expression, pain is unavoidable, but suffering is optional. So really recognizing that, at certain things that, you're still going to have some pain, but hopefully you're not going to make it worse.